How to make NFT for free. Since the inception of Bitcoin in 2009, the popularity of cryptocurrency has grown rapidly. Many other new cryptocurrencies have been launched since then and are widely used as a medium of exchange. Due to its popularity and usability, the price of Bitcoin has already touched $63,000 as of April 2021. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is one of the hot topics throughout the world. It is NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. Crypto-conscious people are so much more interested in NFTs and they can't keep calm. Let us brief you about what NFT actually is. NFT, known as non-fungible tokens, these cryptographic assets are based on blockchain technology and have unique identification codes and metadata that set them apart from each other. Such tokens can be used as placeholders for real-world assets such as artwork and real estate. It is basically a digital asset, or can be called as a cryptographic asset, having a unique identification code and metadata which differentiate it from a fungible token. As with cryptocurrencies, they cannot be traded or exchanged at equivalent values. The difference between fungible tokens and cryptos is that cryptos are exactly the same and therefore can be used for commercial transactions. Knowing what NFT is, let us now analyze how it works. NFTs work on blockchain technology. Each NFT has the potential of several different applications due to its distinctive construction. A digital asset management platform is an ideal vehicle for digitally representing physical assets, such as real estate and artwork. In addition to removing intermediaries and connecting artists to audiences, NFTs can also serve as identity management platforms because they are built on blockchains. NFTs can remove intermediaries, making transactions more efficient. What can non-fungible tokens be used for? Many people question what is the actual use of NFTs. Although the concept is in its infancy, several potential uses have already emerged. NFTs can be used in the following fields. Tickets. One of the uses of NFTs discussed in our open step is that of event tickets. The argument is that if tickets are created using a non-fungible token, if you make an exchange of that ticket, there is a record of that exchange. As a result, there is no chance of someone black marketing tickets, stealing tickets, or trying to use counterfeit tickets. This is because there is no chance of replacing the token on a blockchain associated with that ticket. Fashion. A couple of major issues in the fashion industry could be addressed through the use of NFTs. To start with, having a digital record of authenticity helps with issues such as counterfeit goods. Luxury items could have an attached NFT that would show it's genuine. Gaming. NFTs provide gamers with a way of owning unique in-game items. Whether for fun, authenticity, or competitive nature, such tokens can power in-game ecosystems. Digital content. The most significant use of NFTs today is in digital content. Content creators see their profits enhanced by NFTs as they power a creator economy where creators have the ownership of their content over to the platforms they use to publicize it. How to create NFT for free. Here are some steps to create your first NFT. Creating a crypto wallet account. You're going to need a cryptocurrency wallet to set up an account on any NFT marketplace in order to create your NFT. You can choose any wallet account like MetaMask or Coinbase, etc. When you create your wallet account, you'll be given a 12-word seed phrase. This is your unique password. Keep it safe and don't share it anywhere. The seed phrase acts as your security code. Making an account on an NFT marketplace. After creating an account on a crypto wallet, we need to create an account on some NFT marketplace. Once you set up your account, adding a username, photo, bio, etc., link your MetaMask account to your NFT marketplace account by linking your two accounts. This ensures your NFTs will appear in your wallet and all transactions can be easily completed. You'll need to go to MetaMask settings to automatically bring in your NFTs. Spend some time personalizing your NFT marketplace account, adding a banner image, and linking your social media accounts. The more time spent ensuring your socials are connected, the better. You'll find your art is more visible the more time you take to add detail to your page. Paint some art. Now you can take references from Google and create a sketch using the painting app Rebel 5 or any other similar app. It is quick and works with great precision. An NFT can be any digital file, so create the art you enjoy making. Now save the new painting as a JPEG and prepare to upload it to your new NFT marketplace account and mint it as an NFT. Uploading your art. It's time to upload your art and begin creating an NFT for free. These NFT marketplace sites like Rarible have very user-friendly guides to uploading your art, and the process is very easy. Click the Create tab in the top right of your account and continue. You'll now need to choose a blockchain. Choosing Free Minting. The next options help you decide the value and type of NFT you're creating. For example, choose Single to create a one-off unique NFT or Multiple to mint a series of NFTs to create a collection. Set the price, add a name and description, and make sure you're switching Free Minting to On. Free minting, or lazy minting, enables you to put the fees for minting onto the buyer so you won't be charged. Usually you're charged gas fees, the cost of transacting on the blockchain to mint an NFT. The unit of gas is called a GUI. Depending on the traffic on the blockchain, as you're minting, the fee can increase or decrease. The greater the traffic, the higher the cost. Often it can be cheaper in the late evening or early morning. Seems so fun and innovative, right? Do try it out for yourself. NFTs are the future and are clearly popular right now. But what are the positives and negatives of NFTs? Let us discuss some pros of NFTs first. They give artists ownership over digital assets. When content creators create a digital asset, an NFT gives them the chance to not only show authenticity, but to then profit from their work. With things like memes that are widely circulated, this could mean a significant income stream for the creator. They're unique and collectible. Many people enjoy the excitement that comes with collecting something that's unique or rare. NFTs provide an extra layer of legitimacy to collectible content, particularly in the form of digital assets. They're immutable. Because non-fungible tokens are blockchain-based, they can never be altered, erased, or replaced. Again, when proving the origin or authenticity of digital content, this is a valuable quality. They can include smart contracts. Smart contracts are another feature of blockchain technology that is quite intriguing. Essentially, they can store instructions that are executed when certain conditions are met. As such, an NFT with a smart contract could give artists a percentage of the profit when the NFT is sold in the future. Having known the pros, let us now discuss the cons of NFTs. Digital assets can be copied. Just because someone owns the NFT of a digital asset doesn't mean that copies of it don't exist. Art can be copied and pasted, GIFs reposted thousands of times, and videos posted on various websites. Just because you own the NFT doesn't mean you control the asset. You simply have a token of authenticity. Environmental costs. A lot has been said about the environmental impacts of blockchain-based cryptocurrencies such as Ether and Bitcoin. It takes a lot of computing power to enter records onto a blockchain. There is a big question as to whether assets based on blockchain are sustainable. They can be stolen. Although the technology behind NFTs is relatively secure, many of the exchanges and platforms aren't. As such, there have been several reports of stolen NFTs after cybersecurity breaches. Non-fungible tokens can solve some of the problems that exist on the internet today. As everything becomes more digital, there's a need to replicate the properties of physical items like scarcity, uniqueness, and proof of ownership. Not to mention that digital items often only work in the context of their product. For example, you can't resell an iTunes MP3 you've purchased, or you can't exchange one company's loyalty points for another platform's credit, even if there's a market for it. Well, that's all for today, guys, as it's time to wrap up today's video. Do tell us your opinions about the NFTs in the comment box. We hope you liked the video, and for more such content, do subscribe to our channel and do share with your friends and family. Thank you guys for watching this video, and we'll see you next time. Till then, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep growing.